Welcome to this ASP.NET Core Smart Form Recognizer tutorial. This control detects form regions and extracts text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, and signatures by interpreting visual patterns such as boxes and selection markers. It can also generate fillable PDFs for validation and document review workflows. The key features of the Smart Form Recognizer include form layout detection, fillable PDF export, page-level control, multi-format support, and confidence filtering. In this video, I will show you how to get started with the Syncfusion ASP.NET Core Smart Form Recognizer. You will learn how to create an ASP.NET Core web app, install the Smart Form Recognizer package, and export a PDF with interactive form fields. The prerequisites for this tutorial are Visual Studio 2022 or later, and the .NET 9.0 SDK or later. Now, let me show you how to create an ASP.NET Core web app in Visual Studio. I open Visual Studio and select Create a New Project from the dashboard. From the list of templates, I choose ASP.NET Core Web and click Next. Then, I enter the project name and click Next again. I proceed with the default configuration and click Create to generate the application. Next, I will show you how to install the Smart Form Recognizer in the application. I open the NuGet Package Manager and switch to the Browse tab. I search for Syncfusion Smart Form Recognizer.NET Core package. Select it. Click Install and choose Apply to add the package to the solution. Next, I accept the license agreement and the package is successfully installed. To avoid the license validation message in the output, I open the program CS file and register the Syncfusion license key using the register license method. To find out where to generate the license key, please refer to the link in the description below. Next, I'm going to make the form fields in this document fillable. I will fill the fields by clicking this button. First, I open the index CSHTML file. Remove the existing code and add a button to generate the fillable form fields. To handle the button click, I navigate to the Home Controller CS file and import the required namespaces. Then, I define an action method with the return type iActionResult. Inside this method, I create a file stream to read the input PDF. I provide the file path, set the mode to File Mode Open, and specify File Access Read to load the document. Next, I create a Form Recognizer instance, which detects the form layout and generates interactive fields. I create a PDF-loaded document instance by calling the Recognize Form as PDF document method, which returns a document containing the converted interactive form fields. Then, I create a memory stream to store the output PDF. Save the recognized PDF into the stream. Close the loaded document to release resources. And reset the output stream position to 0. Finally, I return the file as a downloadable PDF by passing the stream, content type, and file name. I save and run the application. When I click the button, the PDF downloads. As you can see, the form fields in the document are fillable. That's a wrap. In this video, I have shown you how to get started with the Syncfusion ASP.NET Core Smart Form Recognizer. You can download this video's working example from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link to check if you qualify for a free community license to access all our Document SDK products. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.